How to upload audio to Roblox on mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three dots located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on Create. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen beside Home, and then click on Creations, which is below Home and above Analytics. In here, simply scroll to the left and you'll find Development Items. In here, you'll find Audio. Click on Audio and then click on Upload Asset. After you've done that, simply click on Upload and upload your audio. Then add name, description of your audio, and then press on Upload. After you've uploaded, you're good to go. This is how to upload audio to Roblox on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.